Alright, Zero Cool here, back again with another video, and I don't know. I don't know what's happening. We're trying CC. We got some fun here. We did lose the last one, so we're trying to go 2-1. We're going up against Grovira or whatever. He's got a smaller roster, so he's about 129 million. I'm 197, so it's a 70 million punch up for him. I think we have enough to do what we need to do, but I don't know. I'm debating right now to take Old Man Logan just to strip those charges of what's his face, so I don't have to deal with him. But it is what it is. Trying to figure out how this is gonna work. This one with barriers should help a little bit, but I don't know. I just gotta go. If we lose, we lose. Big deal. But I gotta just bum rush this. Gotta go. Gots to go. Let's see if this works. If it doesn't, yeah, it didn't. Oh, because he gets charges, right? Yeah, that's cute. Alright, let's go. Hopefully I can get something. If we bet the back out, we'll back out. Okay. We need this.
You know, it'd be helpful if I unmuted while I'm sitting here talking.
It would make some sense if you did. I didn't know if you were or not, so I was just like, okay, whatever. He's not talking. Good for him.
I'm an idiot.
Oh my god, we're gonna lose.
I'm an idiot.
Yeah, we're gonna lose. Yeah, we gotta back out. That ain't gonna work. Odin ain't carrying nothing.
I said early on, and you didn't reply to it. I said, yeah, you could just mess it up like normal, like it's a wet dream.
Oh yeah, this one's a wet dream, but this was not that type of wet dream. So, yeah, Odin didn't hard carry nothing.
What was that in 3?
No, 4. Odin didn't carry shit. I'm debating whether or not to leave Black Bolt just to take the health, just to keep going. Both sides. Oh, Logan. Well, yeah, he got bum rushed. So that's it.
Well, Old Man Logan, if Shuri's there, Old Man Logan will always get bum rushed unless Scholar's there.
Yeah.
Shuri will always go after he's the highest damage controller.
Alright, well, I'll take this, and hopefully the health helps out, because these guys are going nuts. Alright, let's have fun. We're still gonna get hit by that Black Knight. I'm debating whether or not I should have that Black Knight go with us, but we take a whole bunch of turns, so...
Yeah. Yeah, I was saying earlier I'm going back down to Diamond 1 because I went 0-3 again.
Would Black Knight help here? You know what? Let me do the other ones first. I gotta rethink that. Alright. Doom, Dorm, and Sus. I'm not playing this. No? I didn't think so. Dorm. And you go here. And you go there. And I just need 2 smaller people that ain't gonna do shit. Hell, I can be fine. Let's roll. No. I'm trying to figure out how to get around that stupid Emma. She's being a douche. What's up, Juicy?
What up, Jay?
Morning. be fun. They're just gonna get a whole bunch of garbage. And he can go. German per. I don't know how to pronounce that. Per Adulta 1980. Thank you for the follow, man. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, this guy. Boom. Oh, dead. Yeah, they're not doing. They're not hitting that doom, but still, I got them anyway. All right. Boom. Yeah, do what you gotta do. We're still gonna live. Done. There. Let's go have fun.
Oh, by the way, Boomer said today, I think he said after server reset around like 4:15 for 30 our time is when he's going to do the chip, he said.
Oh, that's fine. That
Yeah,
works.
just if you're available to watch.
Yeah, I'll probably still be at work, but whatever. It is what it is.
Yeah. Oh, trust me, there'll be plenty of clips. By the way, did you like the clip of Dave from last night?
So every time, like, maybe it's just my phone, but I couldn't hear any audio, and Fly was sending me stuff, and I'm just like, I can't hear nothing. And then he sent me another one, and I finally got to see it and hear it, and I was like, oh my god, this is hilarious.
That's a sassy song, by the way.
Mm.
That overpowered
Yeah.
song, that's a sassy song.
Alright, boom. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to take in what's his face, Black Knight in there, just to take the health, because these guys are going nuts. Brandon, what's happening? Yeah, the health here is looking ridiculous. I need Cabal.
Yeah.
I'll just take in my own movement. No, I could save it. You. And who else is around here that does some fun shit? That's got a burn kill. It's not gonna be a douchebag. Not right out the gate. Maybe Death Strike? Yeah, sure. Alright, I got a Bum Rush them. Go. Ultimus? I don't have them. Yeah, I don't got them. I'm more worried about 4. That's all I'm worried about. I'm worried about 4. 4 is an issue. That's the big one. Oh, I'm already here. I already messed up once on 4, and I probably won't beat it, but that's fine. That's okay for me. That's perfectly fine. Let's go after you. Okay. Boom. I don't really care. You gonna help out? It's fine. And boom. Throw a rock. Thank you. I was thinking Night Stalkers and APOC in 6, but then I gotta figure out what I'm doing for that. Yeah, that was pretty much luck, but it was a significant overpower. That's why. Um, you, you, and you. I do have full vigilante, yes, but yeah, I do have full vigilante. But why wouldn't I use this? Oh. Like, this is a significant overpowered issue. He's got an 11 there. That's cute. Put APOC next to Man Thing? Why? Yeah. Press fight, win? Yeah. I don't think we'll have an issue. Just too much. Yeah, I gotta go. So let me roll. Yeah, well, I got to go. APOC will stun their blade. Oh, yeah. It's not like they're gonna do a rewind, so that's nice. Oh, well, we went first. Great. Oh, well, Emma bounced. Oh, wow, that was a lot. He didn't do shit. Emma might. Oh, she's dead. Go. You just gotta go. Damn. Damn. I don't know if I need an APOC there. I don't think I did. I probably won't clear room 4. I could try to do it, but it ain't working. This is what's in 4. I can try to go against it, but eh.
You got this. I got faith in you.
Yeah, I ain't got faith in me. I don't got shit. I was thinking of taking Black Bolt just for the health. Or pre-taunt so it stays on what's his face, but I don't really think I got one yet. Only one I think I got is Zuggs. I think Zuggs is the last one left. Or even my Black Knight, just to take a hit. 2 and 1. Nice going, JD. Nice going. Logan didn't work. I'm not doing that again. I'm not doing that shit again. It's either Black Bolt for the health or Black Knight for the hits. This is 4. Well, this is supercharged. Iron Man, CB, Hank, Odin. Wait. Iron Man? Why? That sound right. SJ beats this if not in 6. I don't think so. CB's there. JD. Not like he's just sitting there. Can't do shit. Full SJ? I don't think so. Oh, you're talking about the armor from what's-his-face? Beta Ray Bill. I'm confused on that one. Beta Ray Bill, Iron Man, CB, Hank, Odin. That don't make any... Solution to room 4.
The Beta Ray Bill gives the Odin
Armor up, defense. Oh, okay.
like four death proofs or something like that.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
We were discussing it in Duelim stream yesterday. That's the only reason why I remember this from yesterday.
BRB. There he is. Come here, cutie. Okay, full Blackwall doesn't taunt and you just win. I don't know how that... Why doesn't why wouldn't Black Knight taunt for full SJ? Explain that to me. I'm confused. It's not like I'm gonna push it, but I just want to know. But why? Yeah, he's not cosmic, so why would he not have the taunt? I just want to know. I beat Odin Illuminati with SJ easy. Yes, if it was that, Odin Illuminati, yes. But that Black Knight over there is not doing what he needs to do. So he's kind of stopping me. Oh, look, it's the same one. Nope. Yeah, yeah, it's only offer Cosmic Protectors, so that's why I'm like, why would it do it here? It won't do it here. And T6, what's that solution? He doesn't beat it. Special with Shuri. Okay. So... No, I'm on the second try. Okay, Hank needs to be next to Odin. Okay. Got that. So... Let's see. Hank's special with Shuri, obviously. Then... Hank will go, and I special with him to get the safeguard. And then what? Yeah, you would save Starjammers for them, but that would be the only thing. Lilandra wipes it out on what's his face, Gladiator, but nobody else. Special with CB. This one's gonna be fun if they get wrecked, but we're gonna try. To give Odin speed up. Okay. So special, alt, special. No, wait. Special with Shuri, special with CB, and then alt with Hank. Doesn't Hank go first? All right. We're gonna try it because I got to go. Be right back. Yeah, BRB. I put Fortifier on Odin. Hopefully he lives. Enough death proofs. And stop trying to show me your buns, or
That was breakfast, man.
Alright, we should be... We can see if this works. So, special with Shuri, special with CB, and ult with Hank. Hopefully this goes well-ish. Yeah, sure, let's go. I beat a G20 cow. Yeah, that's you. Me, I'm probably gonna lose.
Well, is that juicy?
Yeah, it's juicy. Yeah, me, I'm still gonna lose today, so I'm fine with it. I just want to see if I can beat the room. I can beat the room, I'm good. Just trying to knock this out. Okay, yeah, he's got 3 death proofs. They're going right after BRB, so that's nice. Okay, so special with this to get ability, energy, and whatever. So go, special, boom. I think Hank goes next, right? Or CB? No, it's Hank. She's fine. Yep, Hank goes next. So we're doing the special with Hank to do a bunch of shit. Ult? No. He said ult. Hank ult? Yeah, Hank ult.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, to heal everybody and then clear something. Yeah. Oh, yeah, ult. Pink. And now special with what's his face? CB. If what's his face don't go. Yeah, he went. Boom. We're about to die. Oh, no, we're still alive. Ish. Who's going? There you go. Boom. Special. Yep. There you go. And go back and forth. It wasn't gonna clear it, so last time it didn't. Okay, you got speed up, and now we just go. Clear it. Go ahead. Boom. You're getting shit. Hit it. Okay. Go ahead. Boom. He's got so many death proofs. It's ridiculous. And now Pucker. Yeah, I'm hoping the Pucker happens and I don't die. Let's pray. Oh shit. Yep. Pucker. Pucker up. Oh fuck. Got 1 charge. He needs to fucking hurry up. Go ahead. Hit. There you go. And goodbye. Let's see what happens. Yeah, Black Knight's still there. Holy shit. We might lose. Fuck. Yeah, we're gonna die. We're gonna die. Black Knight is still there. That motherfucker won't die. Stay, stay, stay. Ooh, shit. They're not dying. Okay, they're not going nowhere. Yeah, we're gonna lose. He's fucked. Okay, at least he's gone. Shit. Oh, God. Jesus Christ. That was hilarious. Oh, my God. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. I'm not taking SJ into that. All I gotta do is take Odin into that and I'll be fine. I'm just gonna take SJ here. That was hilarious. Oh my god. That was fucking funny. Woo! That was hilarious. That really was. That was vigilante, that shit. I ain't doing nothing with that shit. I'm just taking Odin and a bunch of fuckers with him. Odin and not Odin, Old Man Logan and Vigilante. My fault. That was funny. That really was. That was hilarious. New Warriors? I am not New Warriors. I'm not New Warriors, that shit. You kiss my ass. No, 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 no. Not happening. That was funny. Yeah, I didn't notice that, so it didn't happen. It's fine. Like I said, we're still gonna lose, so it doesn't matter. It was fine. Do it for kill shot? Nah, I'm not doing. Nah, I'm not doing that. Think. We'll just Old Man Logan and what's it called, and that'd be fine. Because charge is gone, and then it doesn't matter. He's got what's it called anyway. He's got exhausted, so it doesn't really matter. I'm trying to go as quickly as possible. Vigilante? Yeah, anything can do it. Yeah, I know. So what? I just want to have a little fun with it. I just want to have a little fun with it. That's fine. Why can't I have a little fun? I want to have fun. Vigilante workers. That's why I brought Old Man Logan, because I don't trust those fuckers. But still, she's gonna turn it. She's gonna try. And hit monkey. Oh, shoot. Oh, well, at least he punched the sword off into space. It's good. All right, let's go see how much we lost by, so I can move on. All right, there we go. Boom. $49,408. Let's roll. Wow, 5207. I told you he was gonna win. I told you he was gonna win. He was gonna knock that out the park. I already knew he did. Yeah, he had more than enough. He had a null on. Yeah, yeah, he bum rushed right through everything. That was a good one. Yeah, 60. He pulled it with null. Damn, I was hoping he'd mess up on that one, but it is what it is. Did pull it. Wow, gotta switch. Record. I'm 1-2 right now, so I'll be dropping one, so it's no big deal. But that was fun. That was funny to watch. That was actually funny to watch. Won this round 5190 to 5187. Yeah, everybody's pushing these 50s and shit. You got to try to knock them down. It's going funny. So, whew, it is what it is. But see where it goes next.